Hello and welcome. Today we travel to the south of the islands to visit a banana plantation and an aloe vera factory to learn about different agricultural produce from Tenerife. The altitude here is between 200 and 300 metres and we are in the sub-desert scrub zone. Our first stop is at the banana plantation, and we will spend a bit of time here looking around and also hearing a lecture from the plantation manager about freshwater costs on Tenerife. We will also see various other plants such as a dragon tree, also known as Drago millenaro. The dragon tree gets its name because its sap is red, like dragon blood. We will also see a prickly pear plant, also known as a puntia, and also a Chinocactus grusanil, also known as mother-in-law's cushion, for obvious reasons. We will also see many other plants here. In the area where the bananas are grown, the manager of the plantation explains that it takes 2 years for the bananas to mature and be harvested. They require between 17 and 26 litres per day for one plant. They are succulents, so need a lot of water. You count the number of bananas on one plant and find there are around 150 per plant. Previously, the manager had explained that the banana plants are watered with reused water. The reused water on Tenerife costs about 80 cents per cubic metre. So each day the banana plant requires 26 litres of water. That's 26 times 10 to the minus 3 metres cubed, because there are 1,000 litres in a metre cubed. That's metres cubed per day. And it takes 2 years to harvest the banana fruit. So that's 2 times 365 days. And the cost of this water per metre cubed is 0.8 euros, 80 cents. That's euros per metre cubed. So I can cancel the metre cubes with the per metre cubes. I can cancel the days with the per days. And this is for one plant, but for every plant we have 150 bananas. So we divide by 150 to get the cost per banana, the cost of the water per banana. If we do this calculation, that equals 0.1 euros or 10 cents. After our tour, we quench our thirsts with a wonderful fruit smoothie at the bar here. We then thank the manager of the plantation and go on our way to the aloe vera factory, which is just a short stop to the west. Here we observe the fields of aloe vera. Pulp from the aloe vera plant is used as a beauty product, so the water used here is the more expensive groundwater. It has to be higher quality. You recall from the banana plantation manager that the cost of groundwater is 2 euros for every metre cubed. In setting up an aloe vera plant, there are initial delays for the plants to mature and be able to be harvested. After the initial setup though, estimates are that the aloe vera plant needs about 10 litres of water every month. And each plant has approximately 40 leaves. Each leaf takes around 2 months to grow. You can assume that if you were to take all 40 leaves off a plant, they would grow back within 2 months. For the estimate of costs of water for aloe vera, we estimated that each aloe vera plant required 10 litres of water every month. That's 10 times 10 to the minus 3 meters cubed, because there are 1,000 litres in a meter cubed. And we also estimated that it takes around about 2 months for a plant to completely regrow its leaves. So we have this 2-month cycle. 2 months per plant. The cost of the water used, has to be the highest quality water for this aloe vera, because aloe vera is a beauty product. And you remember back to the Banana Plantation's lecture about the cost of water. The cost of groundwater is €2 per cubic meter. So we multiply by 2 euros per cubic meter. So we can cancel the cubic meters, we can cancel the months. And you estimated that each aloe vera plant had around about 40 leaves at any one time. So we divide by 40 leaves per plant. Cancel plants. So if we do this calculation, the final answer for the cost in euros per leaf works out to be 1 times 10 to the minus 3 euros per leaf. So we then immediately compare that to the cost per banana, 0.1 euros per banana versus 1 times 10 to the minus 3 euros per leaf. After our tour of the aloe vera fields, we then go on to have a tour of the factory. There is minimal processing. Leaves are stripped of the outside skin, leaving the pulp. We then stop at the shop and listen to the promotional video and remarkable properties of the aloe vera plant. The final products are quite expensive. Profit margins are high here. We compare our calculated cost of the water to the cost of the final product to get an idea of the profit margins here. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give us a like.